So a friend found this at a garage sale. And I've looked at so many YouTube videos, but none of them showed me how to disassemble this bastard. Look how nasty it is. It's like you haven't wiped your ass in 20 years. Susan! I'm going to reach into places that no man has ever been with you. You ready, bitch? Oh, there's no video tutorial that I saw, so I guess I'll be your video tutorial. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna pretend that I do. First, you wanna get a spanner screw. I just bought a set off of Amazon. I accidentally dropped a plate in there. Fuck, I got it. So next it's telling me to remove the cash jar. Oh, no taco. Oh, taco money! That is nasty. That is delicious. Bam! We're done!